welcome back to my channel. So today is all about what I got for my birthday haul. So my birthday was a while back, but I just haven't had the time to film this video. If you see my living room, I use my living room as a space to create content and it's literally filled with stuff. But I've been so busy that I just haven't had time to film this video. But we are gonna get into this video and I'm gonna show you some of the things I received for my birthday. But if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? My name is Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and we talk all things bougie in fashion on this channel and all things bougie in beauty. So I don't understand. You know what my name is, you know what we talk about on this channel. So what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to show you is these roses, and they came from a company called Flowers First. I'm not sure if I'm meant to be watering the roses. Like, am I meant to be watering? But they're the roses that literally last forever. And I thought this was really sweet. It was like hand delivered in an Uber to my house on the day of my birthday. I thought that was really, really sweet. And I absolutely love red roses. So I think that was like a nice touch, because to get ready in the morning after having breakfast, and then these are delivered. So that was the first gift I got and I thought this was super sweet. The second gift I got was these baddies, these Amina Muaddis. This is the Begum PVC heels in light grey. This is for the autumn winter collection. I actually ended up wearing these on my birthday. I did a whole unboxing on like sizing and pricing, so I'll leave it somewhere below or above. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video, but yeah, I definitely wanted these. These are like one of the hottest shoes in at the moment. I was so ecstatic when I got these, and I've been wanting a pair of Amina Muaddi heels for like ever. So yeah, I've already done like a whole unboxing, sizing and a review on these. I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but like, yeah, I love them. Look at the crystal details, look at the iconic heel. They're absolutely perfect. So yeah, go and watch that video now. Another gift was this ROOP bag. I bought it myself. I got it myself for my birthday to wear on my birthday. Doesn't really look like much, but I love these bags. They're sustainable. I believe they are handmade. Like, she has loads of cool ones and I have like about 2 of her bags already. So I thought it was really nice to get it in classic black. And I'm just gonna show you how you can style this, because I just think it's just such a classic piece to have, and it's super inexpensive. I think it retails for like £75, but it's just super cute. And I probably will be buying more of these because they are amazing. I literally just use any dust bag as a lining for it and I just go about my business, and I think it's just super chic. Another item that I bought to rewind the box, I like stained it and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna ruin my unboxing. It's ruining the aesthetics. But we really and truly moved. I'm just gonna cover my hand because it's really annoying me. But I bought these shoes a while back. I bought them in the sale like last year, and I actually bought them as an early birthday present for myself to wear on my birthday. And I was just gonna find like a plain black dress and wear this, but I actually changed my whole entire outfit because I ended up going with Amina Muaddi. And then I found a dress that had sequins in, just because obviously it needs to be va-va-voom, va-va-vam, like bougie in London. I don't understand. But these were the shoes I was gonna initially wear. The issue is I don't know how to show you these heels. I think I'm just gonna have to wear them because they like lace up all around the leg and ankle area. So right now I'm showing you them. It's not really doing it justice, is it? So let me just show you them on. These are the Valentino, Swarovski and Upflair heels. I believe they're called Upflair, and they have like Swarovski detailing and ostrich feathers. One of my favorite brands is Valentino. It's like my top 5 favorite brands. I actually ended up working for the brand last year, but I didn't actually get these when I worked for the brand. Like, these were just like an amazing find, and I think they were like 1,000 something, and I actually got a really good bargain. Like, it was still expensive, but I mean, like, I got an amazing bargain on these. I don't think you can get them anywhere, but I think they are sold out, and I just think like this is so me. This is the epitome of bougie in London. I got these in a size 37. This was actually a real treat to myself and I'm in love with them. Finally, I got this like perfume gift set, so I'm just gonna open it up with you guys. Imagine I haven't opened this up for my birthday. But to be honest, this YSL perfume isn't really my like, not really my favourite perfume, to be honest. I like more of an oozey scent. So inside with this like little teddy bear, super cute, some Lindt chocolate. I think I might take this into work tomorrow because too much chocolate is not good for my system. I'm lactose intolerant. Just put that there. And then it has this YSL set. You've got the YSL, you've got the Opium mini. That might be good to take on holiday, right? And then this YSL Rouge lipstick. Oh, that's nice. I don't know, I might give this Rouge lipstick to my cousin or something. I don't think I'm gonna use it. It's a lot of packaging. But I think it's super sweet gift. Do you know what I mean? Like a little something. I also got this champagne. I love champagne. I love champagne.
Yo, I love champagne. I love champagne.
I love the intro of that song. It's just hilarious. Obviously, I've drank the champagne already. You know what I mean? I've had some festive things to attend, so I have drank the champagne. I'm not really a rosé type of girl, to be honest, but I do like rosé champagne. Like, love it. And also, oh my god, I could have drank it in these glasses. That's so annoying. Because I did drink the champagne with one of my best friends and I could have drank it in the glasses. I think I was already tipsy when I was drinking the champagne because I didn't even notice this. Is this glass cracked? I think the glass is cracked, no? Or is it just me? Is it just dust? Anyway, it's the thought that counts. I thoroughly enjoyed that champagne. Put that down. But yeah, those are the birthday gifts. It wasn't a lot, but it was enough, you know? I also went to Nigeria straight after for my birthday, and that was a fun vibe. Like, I'm still editing the vlog. It's gonna take forever, but I will show you the vlog once it's edited, because it was a fun time. Like, the last time I went was more of a sad time. Obviously, my friend's father did pass away, but this time was like more of a holiday, and it was my birthday, and like we literally went out every day for 10 days straight. So that was a fun vibe. I'm just gonna leave you with some clips of what I did for my birthday. I went to Brasserie Zadil with 5 of my closest besties, and I had a whale of a time having dinner and drinks with my best friends. That's what it's all about. One of my best friends was in Nigeria, and that's who I went to go meet when I went there, but this was my actual birthday, so let me show you what I got up to. Okay guys, so that is the video. I've shown you everything. I've shown you what I got up to. But yeah guys, what did you think? Is there any of my birthday gifts that you're like, oh my god, they're amazing? You would want them as well? If some of them are still available, I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase them from. But I guess that's all. If you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'd have to share this video, why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. As I mentioned, I'll try and see if I can find the links of these products. If they're still available, but I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always say what guys? Bouji.